Hello students, I am starting simple interest part 2. We have our first question, rupees 14,000 is invested. So it means principal is 14,000 at 4% per annum. Now how long will it take? Means we need to find out time for the amount to reach 16,240. So here your principal is given 14,000, your rate of interest is given 4% and your amount is given 16,240. Now you need to find out first thing principal. First thing interest. So interest is equal to amount minus principal. From this formula I can subtract it. So subtracting interest will be 2,240 rupees. Now we know that your time equals to interest into 100 upon principal into rate. So substituting the values, you will get 2240 multiplied with 100 divided by 14,000 multiplied with 4. So your time is 4 years. Okay. Now next, an amount is money invested tripled in 6 years. Find the rate of interest. Time is 6 years. Whatever the amount you are submitting, it is being 3 times. Tripled means 3 times. So here we can assume that let the principal is n. Now principal is n, time is 6 years and amount will become 3 times of whatever is submitted. So amount will be your 3n. First thing we need to find out interest. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. So from here I can write interest equals to 3n minus n, that is 2n. So now you need to find out rate of interest. Rate of interest formula is interest into 100 upon principal into time. So I will just keep all the values. Keeping all the values, I will get 2n multiplied with 100 divided by n into 6. N cancels out. 2 cancel out with 6. You will get 3. So 100 upon 3, or we can write it as 33 whole number 1 by 3%. Okay. Now next, find the principal when final amount is rupees 2,376 at 4% per annum for 2 years. So here you need to find out principal. So we can assume principal is n. Now your amount is given 2,376. So I can calculate the interest. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. So 2,376 minus n. So rate of interest is given 4% and time is given 2 years. So I will substitute all this in this formula. Interest is equal to PRT upon 100. So 2,376 minus n is your interest equals to n is your principal into 4 into 2 upon 100. Now this 100 is multiplied here in both of the terms of the bracket. So I will get 2,37,600 minus 100n equals to 4 times 2 is 8. So you will get 8n here. Now this 100n I am taking it here. It is subtraction, so it will become addition on that side. So 8n plus 100n will be 108n. So 2,37,600 equals to 108n. Now to solve for n, I need to divide this 108 with this. So dividing, you will get n as 2,200. So this is your principal. Now next question. If the simple interest on a certain of money for 3 years is 3/10 of the sum, then find the rate of interest. Now here principal is not given. So again I will assume principal is equal to n. Now interest is given that 3/10 of the sum. So interest is 3n by 10. Now time is given 3 years. So I can take time as 3 years. Now we need to find out rate of interest. So here in place of interest I can write 3n upon 10. P is your n. R we need to find, and T time is given 3 years upon 100. Substituting all the values, now I will get this. Now what we can do, we can solve for R. So this 100 is multiplied on this side and n and 3 is divided on this side. So here cancelling out, 3 cancels out with 3, n cancels out with n, 100 cancels out with 10 and you will get 10. So R is equal to your 10%. Now next question. A sum of rupees 6,000 amounts to 6,900. So this principal is given and here amount is given. Time is also given 3 years. So first thing we need to find out rate of interest. So interest is equal to amount minus principal. So from here our interest is 900. So I will use the formula rate is equal to interest into 100 upon principal into time. I will substitute all the values and I will get rate is 5%. Now it is saying if the rate is increased by 2%, 5% was rate and you are increasing 2%. So your new rate is 7%. Now if you are applying 7% on this amount, on this principal, then how much amount you will get? You need to get that. So interest is equal to principal is 6,000. Rate of interest is 7% now I am taking, and time is same 3 years upon 100. So calculating interest from here I will get 1260 rupees is your interest. Now amount will be principal plus interest. So amount will be 6,000 plus 12,260, that is 7,260. This is your amount.